You are seeing my screens, right? For those who are new, have joined us today, just to let you know that you need to turn on your video, mute your mic. This chat function is for us to answer questions, share feedback, raise your hand, and if you need to speak. But usually we don't. We just actually type it from into the chat function. Go to toilet? Yes, permitted. All right. Don't have to wait. Just go and then come back. Just type a message over here so that I know that you are away. That's all. All right. For those who have not done your work, who are they? Let me take this first. Okay, Astra, can you do your key in your answer now? Okay. Galen done already. Yes. Krishna, can you do key in now? Okay. Key in now. Okay, Miko, you did. Sarina, you did. Shreya, you did. Tommy did. Okay. The rest. For those who are here, names I mentioned, please do it now. Okay. Don't wait. Okay. The first question we have here is minor paper. We are all doing revision paper. This one, many of them correct. Okay. So this is 20.9. Yes. C. Number 2, the pie chart shows the favorite color. He wants to choose orange as their favorite. So from here to here, you must know that this is what? 15 and 15 and 30 will give you 60. So here will be 40%. Huh? This one, most of them got correct. Next question. Okay, A, B, C are 3 towns. A is the north of B. Angle ABC is 45. In which direction is C from B? So from B. So C is here. So since it's this is north. This is northeast. Okay? Option number E. What is the value of 20 plus 3A over 2 is equals to 6. So you get 26 for this. Okay? This is a question, a few, not all, got it wrong. Okay, next one. All right, let's check. Hi, Jaden. Jaden, why is this wrong? We never do work. Key in now. Key in your answers now. Quickly go. Okay. Hello, Astra. Astra, I also did see your work. Can you key in now? Yeah, while doing, just key everything you know. And make a fast one. Okay, which of the following is the closest to 1? Okay, closest to 1. Very simple. Use 1 whole to minus is equal to 1/5. So what I'm looking for is the difference. Okay, then this one minus 1 whole is equal to 1/4. Then this is 1 whole minus 6/7 is 1/7. Then 7/6 minus 1 whole is 6/6, right? So 1/6. Now, closest to 1 means the difference must be the smallest difference. Okay, smallest difference, you look at the denominator. Which is the smallest difference? Here, no? 1/7 is the smallest one. Okay, so use all these tactics to work it out. Okay, let's take a look who is here. I thought I heard sound. Okay. Question number 6. Repeated pattern 101011. 101011. So I know that there's a pattern repeating 101011 cut 101011 cut 101011. See. So in every set, I should say set. Okay. Why I put that into set? So that I know that there are 6 numbers here. 6 numbers. How many 6 numbers will you have? I don't know. Okay, a lot. unlimited. Okay? So then he say find the sum of the 80 numbers. So that means how many 6 are there in 80? So we say 80 divided by 6. 1, 6, 20, 12, 16. And I have remainder of 4. Wait. Divide by 6, 1, 6, 20, 20 is 3. Is it? Wait, let me count again. 80 divided by 6. 1, 6, 3. 13. 6 times 3, 18. Remainder 2. So remainder 2 will end with a lot of 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the last two number must be ending with 1 and 0, right? So now I need to add 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 4 groups. So here must 4, 4, 4. The sum adds up to be 4. Okay? How many 4 will that be? A lot. That is 13 sets of 4. So you must have 13 times 4, which will give you 52. But you have a remainder of 2, the first 2 digits. So what do you have? You get down to 53. That's option D. Okay? Yeah, let me look at this. So sorry, because Anika extra shallot. Anika is here. Okay. Let's go on. So far, okay? Are you all catching up? Wow, thank you. Yeah, wow, thank you. Hi, Tommy, stop it. Who's another one here? Jaden, is it? Somebody asking something. Yes. Somebody put up his hand. Is it Yuanjia, is it you? I thought I saw someone putting up his hand. Anything from Yuanjia? No, nothing. Okay, we are already in coming to question 7. Okay, just to check. This one should be a revision. Okay. May I have your feedback? Mm-hmm. Good. Thank you. Thank you, Galen. Anyone else? Yeah, thanks, Tommy. Okay, okay. So I speak a little faster, a little, so that we can have more practices later. Okay, thank you. Question 7. Michelle bought some plain flour and some cake flour, and she used equal number of plain flour, cake flour, and had 3/4 and 3/8 of the flour left. What fraction of the flour? Okay, this one we did before. We call it the same method. I'm not too sure if you remember, or for those who have just joined us, okay, we call this the same method. Why same? Because he says the part that they use is the same. So we use same method. So 3/4 must be the same of 3/8. So we do this. 3/4 of P stands for plain must be equals to the 3/8 of the K. So what do I mean by same method is this thing called numerator and numerator must be the same. Okay? If I were to do this, they must be called same. Since they are the same, then P must be 4 unit, C must be 8 unit. So P 4U, C 8U. Okay, so what fraction of the flour he bought was used up? So meaning to say bought 12 unit, right? And used 6 unit. Even though there are 6 unit, 3 plus 3, what? Numerator, right? Okay, so he used up 6 out of 12. Okay, 6 out of 12, which will be equals to half is left and half is used. Okay? All right. Anyone wants to ask question about this? If no, then I got to move on. Question, no more, C, C, A, B, C, D, B. Okay, let me check for this. So, find the value. Okay, so I should cut a little lah, huh? 906. This one, most of them got correct. 5, 5, 20. I put it into 20. 5, 20. 4. This one you should get it right. Okay. Next question. Times 9. Key will be 9 and 10. Why 9 and 10? I'll get 4.6 because I shift the 10. Because this one, calculator are not allowed when you have doing when you are doing the paper one. Okay, so I just check back because I'm a bit fast. 0.6 times 90 equal to 41. Wait. 50, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 36 plus 5. 36 plus 5. Wow, I almost. Okay. 0.46 times 9. Okay, 41.4. Question number 11 over 1. I flip, change, flip. This one is the easiest. 1 out of 20. Okay. Nancy took 3/4 hours to jog 9 kilometers and he wants to find his jogging speed in kilometers per hour. So we say speed equals to distance over time. 3/4 hour. So that means speed equals to 9 divided by 3/4. Flip, change, flip, you get 12. Good. Thanks, Jaden. Thanks, Gillen. Wow, many of them responded. That's good. Let me check who else. Very responsive. Yes, Jaden. Shreya, yes, there are more. Correct. Wow. Okay. Quite good. This class is good. I'm happy. Question 13. Let's check it out. This one I slow a bit because of the graph. I need to read very carefully. It is sold from March to June. So March, April, May, June. June unknown. The June is equal to the average number from March to May. Meaning to say, you need to read this. You need to read this. You need to read this. Let's check it out. Okay. So this one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. 55, 60, 65. 70, 80, 90, 95. So if I were to add them up, I will have 95, 65, 160, 160 plus 650, 210. 210 divided by 3. 210 divided by 3, that gives me 70. So June must be 7. I put it here lah. June must be 70. So I go to 70. Then I need to do this. Darken it and shade. You need to shade in exam also because they are shaded. So that's the more reason you need to shade. Okay, shade. Probably I'll shade in their blue lah, same blue. Okay, since they are blue. Wow. I think I do the light blue lah, in case you all cannot tell which is which. Okay. Okay. So find the number of computer. No doubt the question didn't say lah. But why 75 Ayo, must be 70 70. Ayo, more 65. Alamak. I got this. Ayo.